I'm trying to hold it in. I don't want to burp yet.
Dude, don't puke or something.
I want to shake a big one. I couldn't hold it. I want another after.
Mine are all small.
What?
That's why you gotta save them up. Like,
Mine's gone.
I think I had the biggest one.
Yours was the chunkiest.
No.
What about mine?
Yours is weak.
That was long.
You're not chugging it fast enough.
You're like taking baby sips.
You gotta chug it, bro.
Chug, chug, chug.
Oh,
You know, that was chunky.
Ow.
I want to do it again.